Hi everyone, this is Rozina from Let's Cook with Rozina. Today, I'm so excited to share my secrets for making the best minced chicken kebab right in your own kitchen. These are not just any kebabs. I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate juicy chicken kebab that will impress your family and friends. Get ready for some serious flavor. Here are the ingredients for making minced chicken kebab. 1 kilogram boneless and skinless minced chicken. Use a mixture of half chicken breast and half chicken thigh, finely minced. By using a combination of both types of meat, you will get a more flavorful and juicy kebab. 2 small or 1 large white or yellow onions, grated and squeezed dry. Perfect. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Parsley adds a nice flavor to the kebab. 1 small bell pepper, mix of red, green or yellow colors, finely chopped. They are making kebabs visually appealing and adding a pleasant texture to the kebab. 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. 50-gram butter. To season our kebab, we need 1/3 teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons saffron water. Now let's start. In a large bowl with minced chicken, add the grated onion and make sure to squeeze out any excess moisture to prevent soggy kebabs. And then add the finely chopped bell peppers, freshly chopped parsley, breadcrumbs, butter, grated garlic, and finally all those aromatic spices. Perfect. Alright, it's party time for the chicken. Use your hands and mix all ingredients together until just combined, as you see in the video. Perfect. Cover the bowl and place it in the fridge for an hour. This helps the flavors blend together beautifully. Okay, now take the chilled meat mixture out of the fridge and brush a pan with oil. Then use your hands to gently press and evenly spread the chicken mixture across the prepared pan and ensuring it's a uniform thickness. Perfect. Now using a wooden spoon and carefully divide the meat mixture that you have spread in the pan into long even strips. Take your time and don't worry if they are not perfect. Just remember to use the edge of the wooden spoon to cut all the way through the meat mixture to the bottom of the pan so the strips are fully separated. Perfect. Let me tell you something. For a juicier chicken pan kebab, use medium to medium-high heat under the pan. If the heat is too low, the kebab will release its juices and become dry. So let one side cook completely until it's nicely browned before flipping it over. And as the kebab cooks, use the wooden spoon to ensure the strips remain separated. Once one side of the kebab is fully browned, then we flip it over to cook the other side. This recipe calls for a touch of saffron or za'afaran, as it's called in Farsi, which adds a special aromatic treat to the kebab. For an even more delicious and flavorful result, melt some butter and brush it over the kebab during cooking. These juicy chicken kebabs are marinated with a blend of fresh herbs and aromatic spices and cooked until golden brown and looks mouth-watering. Yummy! My cooking is done and these kebabs looks juicy, tender and tasty. The best part? You can now enjoy the most delicious chicken kebab anytime, anywhere, right off the pan. Serve with warm rice and grilled tomatoes. And you cannot go wrong if you wrap the kebab in your favorite bread. The choice is yours.